my channel. So for today's video, I thought that I should do an organizational video where I just clean my room. My room is a hot mess and I had no motivation to do it, so I figured that I should film a video while I also while I also clean my room. In this video I didn't clean my closet, but I might make a separate video where I like completely do like a closet clear out because I have a lot of things that I need to get rid of. Anyways, I'm talking way too much, so I just kind of want to get right into the video. So if you guys want to see how I organize it from this to this, then stay tuned. You guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so, and please leave me a comment down below on like what you guys want to see, like a video suggestion on like what you guys want to see on this channel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.